Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite ways to meal plan. It's super easy, all the food is delicious, and you're able to have plenty of diversity of meals, flavors, textures throughout the week. It's all around Bootables, which is like one of my favorite things to eat. So it's very, very balanced, wholesome, delicious food. So keep watching and I'll show you how to do this. This video is sponsored by Audible, and they're offering viewers of Sweet Potato Soul a free audiobook with a 30-day membership trial. So make sure you use my link, audible.com/sweetpotatosoul, or if it's easier, you can text Sweet Potato Soul to 500-500. I love Audible. They've got an amazing selection, all sorts of audiobooks, magazines, all sorts of different programs. So make sure you check it out. It's perfect to listen to while you're doing your meal prep. Speaking of, let's get started with our meal prep. I highly recommend taking about 90 minutes to do your meal prep for the week on a Sunday or another free day. This is the time you prep most of your ingredients. For this week of Bootables, I'm chopping and roasting sweet potatoes, peeling, chopping, and steaming beets, and chopping and steaming bok choy. I'm also going to make a few different sauces. A ginger almond sauce, a lemon tahini one, and a miso ginger broth. I posted the full meal plan with recipes on my blog. The link is in the description box. I'm going to use a food processor to make some delicious sweet potato falafel. And I'm going to marinate and saute some tofu. And I'll also cook some quinoa. And some vermicelli noodles. So right now I'm listening to Daily Self-Discipline by Martin Meadows, trying to use it to help me become more disciplined in my life.
I haven't always been a disciplined person. In the past, I couldn't follow even the simplest routines. I had an unhealthy diet, exercised little, and hence was overweight, and didn't have the discipline to commit to the process of changing myself. Today, I follow a strict routine. I have a morning routine, go to the gym 3 times a week, and regularly...
Obviously, discipline is perfect for meal prep and making sure that you stay on your healthy eating plan and stay consistent with all of this. Now remember to sign up for Audible so you can get your free audiobook and a free month trial. Go to audible.com/sweetpotatosoul, or you can text message Sweet Potato Soul to 500-500. With your prep done, making each meal during the week will be so fast and easy. On Monday, fill a bowl with vermicelli noodles, the marinated tofu, sweet potato, and bok choy. Pour the ginger almond sauce over the top. It's not beautiful, but it's so tasty. Garnish with fresh cilantro and lime. For Tuesday's bowl, we'll start by quickly chopping fresh cucumber, tomato, and olives. Fill your bowl with raw spinach, quinoa, black beans, beets, the veggies you just chopped, a drizzle of tahini sauce, and parsley. Bowl number 3 begins with the vermicelli noodles. Top them with the tofu, spinach, cooked this time, beets, and miso ginger broth. Thursday's bowl combines quinoa, black beans, beets, cooked spinach, and sweet potato, topped with a drizzle of tahini sauce. Yum. Our final bowl starts with a bit of arugula tossed with the tahini sauce. Topped with sliced toasted pita, the sweet potato falafel, chopped cucumber, sliced avocado, another drizzle of tahini, and fresh parsley. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and this meal plan. For all the details, recipes, etc., visit my blog. I've got a link down below. And also I wanted to say thank you to Audible for sponsoring this video. Guys, let me know which audiobook or audio program you decide to download and listen to. And of course, we can stay in touch in the comment section below. Always on Instagram, I'm at Sweet Potato Soul. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure you all turn on the notification button so you don't miss a future video. I'll see you next time. Bye.